My name is Lauren and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to talk to you about curly haired updos that you can do at home. There are different diameters to curling irons. Whenever you walk into a shop, whether it be a salon or whether it be a beauty supply store, you're going to see a lot of different diameters of curling irons. You have your inch, you have a half inch, and you also have your 1.5 inch. They also become actually bigger than this, and then you have your in-between sizes. I recommend that everybody have at least, a 1 inch and maybe like a 2 inch or 1.5. The smaller the diameter of the curling iron, the tighter the curl is going to be. So if I take the small one, now also the smaller the diameter, the smaller the section you have to take. If you take too big of a section, the hair is not going to wrap properly and it's not going to go around all the way. You want to create that smoothness, again, from taking it from the base and continuously dragging it down to your ends. That heat is ultimately going to help your hair. So this one, being a smaller diameter, is going to do a lot tighter of a curl as compared to, let's say, this one. So this way you can see the difference of the curl and the way that they overlay each other. Again, this one you can take a bit of a bigger section because it does have a bigger diameter to it. Again, to the base, bring it out. Now, some people, I happen to find it easier to actually start the curl and use my good old piece here in order to get this piece completely underneath. I feel like the curl stays on longer. And it's actually easier to maneuver. Some people cannot do that. If you cannot do that, it is fine to drag the curling iron from the base all the way to your ends and then start rolling. Just remember to beware of that crank. So now, as you can see, the curl here is actually a little bit tighter than what the curl is here. The diameter is a little bit, the S is a little bit softer on this one. So depending on the look you're going for is going to depend on the size diameter curling iron you want to use. The larger the barrel, the softer the curl.